Hey, what's up, Cardano holders? So, buy Cardano, my brother. Absolutely, very good time, my friend, for all holder now, my brother. And absolutely, I have also planned, my friends, to buy 1000 more Cardano, my brother. Yes, absolutely. This is real, my brother. I am going to buy at Cardano, especially in this time, because my brother, my formula is absolutely very difficult, very different, my friend, from others. Now, you know why? Because every stake channel, one of the good and absolutely YouTube fastest channel, my friend. Today we're growing 10,000 people, my friend. They are subscribed our YouTube channel, so it's mean to they are all trust on every stake channel. And if you are also new on our channel, so kindly subscribe this channel, my brother. So you know why I am going to buy more Cardanos? Because, my brother, this time absolutely short-term investor, they're doing very huge mistake, my friend. They are starting selling. So absolutely, my friend, you can see here this time the price is starting decreasing now. And when the price is starting decreasing, so absolutely, my friend, when price come down to the lowest point, then absolutely I buy it. And if when, my friends, the price is starting increasing, so then, my friend, I am just waiting and wait for the good time. And absolutely, when good time is coming, then definitely, my friend, I am starting by selling. So therefore, my friend, I take a very good profit, and absolutely they will give me a very good profit. So, my brother, you can see here this time the last 3 months chart is on the screen of Cardano. Absolutely, my friend, from last I think 1 year, my brother, I investing, my friend, in cryptocurrency, currency, especially in Cardano. So therefore, my friend, you can see here absolutely I take a lot of good profit. But, my friend, especially last, my friends, 2 months, this is 3 months charts, but the last 2 months, my friend, this time the Cardano in last 2 months is absolutely very badly falls down. But after this, you can see, my brother, April, May, these 2 months, my friend, you can see here they falls down. But after this point, my friend, you can see here when they take a very huge jumps also, when they're starting falls down. So absolutely at this point, my friend, I sell it and I take a very good profit now. So I suggest you all of my friend, all of you, to please, if you want to selling, so there absolutely you sell it in this time, my brother. So kindly holder, absolutely very huge jumps is coming soon. But just and only, my brother, you need to hold and wait for a good time. Absolutely in July, my friends, they will give you a very good profits, but just and only you need to hold and wait for a good time. So Cardano holder, hope you understand something new in this video. Please be honestly like this video and subscribe this channel for more this type informative videos. See you next time.